Hello guys, my name is Nick and today I would like to show you how to change marker and flag color in Davinci Resolve. So as you can see, in Davinci Resolve there are flags and markers. And to set a marker, for example, you need to put a cursor on the necessary position on the timeline and click on marker. You can find marker right here, just below the preview window right here, and click on it. And if you want to change color of this marker, you unfortunately need to delete this marker. And now click on the arrow right here and select the necessary color, for example, rose. Okay, and as you can see, the color of this marker was changed. And the same thing with flags. You can find flags here, or you can use shortcuts, G for flags and M for markers. You need to select the necessary color, for example lemon, and as you can see, the color was changed. So that's how you can easily change the color of flags or markers in the Davinci Resolve. So hope this video was helpful for you. Bye bye.